Hey there, my friend. Paul Butler here from PrimeDisclosure.com. Hope you're having an amazing day. Today is December 23rd, 2017. I wanted to talk to you real quick about what's going on with these cryptocurrencies here, especially Bitcoin, why there was this weird activity in the last few days where it spiked real high and then it dropped couple $1,000s, several $1,000s. I want to talk to you a little bit about potentially why that happened and what you can do about it here. So here I'm on Bitcoin.com. I'm on their charts here, which is charts.bitcoin.com. And as you can see back here in September this year, if I put my cursor there, Bitcoin was $564 on September 3rd. That was what, 3 months ago? September, October, November. And then look at in December. Oh, actually, that was of last year, but okay, so we got the beginning of still at in January 1st, it was 1,010. So from September, went from 500 to 1,000, so that doubled within those 3 months. So here we have January 2017, 1,054, and it didn't really do much up until May. It started going up, so it went up a couple $100 from January to May, and then look at here in January, it starts going higher, higher. Look at this, 2,400, May 24th, had a little down spike. Then by June, 2,800. Then it really started climbing here in August, and we were up to 5,000 by the end of August. Then it had this little drop here again. See, it went from 49.33 down to 32.83. From the 2nd to the 15th, so people were freaking out there, like, uh-oh, did the bubble burst? Did the bubble burst? You keep hearing that. The bubble's gonna burst. We're in a bubble. It's in the bubble. And then it was like, boom! In November, look at 7,300. Then look, from November 6th to the 13th, look at that. That was another major drop here, and that was like boom. So 3,500 down to, oh, I mean not 35, 7,384. I was looking at that bottom number there. 7,400 down to 5,900. People thought, uh-oh, and then look what happens. Boom, it jumps up from November 13th from 59.58. Look at this. Here we are. I'm going to zoom in. Drag this over. So December 8th. Look at that. 16,000 from this low of 59. So that tripled from November 12th to December 8th. Then it started going down, and then look what happens here. Let's see if I could. That was yesterday. Look at that. It jumped up to $19,000. Then today, $15,676. So currently we're at $14,998. And people are really freaking out. Oh my gosh. The bubble burst here, and let me explain what's going on here. Because even though this is a decentralized system, it still can be manipulated by the big dogs. They're called whales in the investment industry, niche, whatever you call it, niche. Why are they whales? Because they're the big dogs of the sea. And yes, the whales do swim in pods and groups. Now these whales get together and they say, hey, let's make this thing really spike. And, they already have a bunch of Bitcoin. So they get together and they all at the same time purchase, 20, 30 Bitcoin that makes this thing skyrocket. Then when it gets real high there, this highest point, boom, 20, they all sell off. And as they sell off, this thing plummets. So then when it plummets down, they wait, and then they buy again. So they buy at this level, say 11,708, and then it's like, boom, jumps up here. They just made $8,000 per coin. And they bought 20 or 30, so you do the math there. Made like $20,000 or more. I'm sure they even bought more than 20, 30. They probably bought 100, 200. And then boom, 20,000, they sell off a bunch of them, falls down here, and then they buy again when it's low. So they're buying low, forcing the price to explode. Then they sell when it hits this peak, boom, they make a huge profit, it drops again, they buy it low, forcing it. So you'll see this explode even higher. We're at 15,000. I would not doubt by the beginning, middle of January, you'll see this price double to 30,000. I mean, there's no guarantees in life, but this looks like a trend that is not going away anytime soon. Just think about millions of people around the world. This is in every country on this planet, in this realm. People buying this as a opportunity, as an investment, and it's decentralized. It cannot be controlled by one entity, one organization. But yes, it's like anything else in this realm. It can be manipulated and messed with. So fear not, my friend. I would suggest holding on to your coins if you have any, and keep reaching for the stars, my friends. So Bitcoin being the biggest of the bunch, there's over 1,000, I think, now different cryptocurrencies. You can come over here to coinmarketcap.com. As you can see, if you click price here, these are like the top 50, I think, top 90 or so. I don't know. Let me go back to name here. Oops, not name, but number. You can't do that. So we'll go by market cap. So, by price. 15,000 is Bitcoin, and look at Bitcoin Cash. 3,000 here, and then Dash 1,300. This is coinmarketcap.com. Then Ethereum is up to $743.77. And as you can see, these graphs here, these are 7 days. So these things climbed, and then you can see they all plummeted. And this, because whatever Bitcoin's doing, these kind of follow suit. So we're going to come to the bottom here real quick and look at the total market cap for all cryptocurrencies. $585 billion. It's crazy. That's more than all the assets of JP Morgan, which is one of the biggest banks in the world. So these central banks, these money masters, they're all freaking out. Believe me, they are not happy about these cryptocurrencies because they cannot control it, and they're losing big time. So hope this video helped. Have a great day. Be sure to subscribe to this channel below, and have a great holiday and Happy New Year. Take care now.